Hi guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification, and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. Okay guys, so today we're going to make a cheese piece. Now I had a block of cheese remaining, so I'm going to use this. I also had a piece of carrot remaining. I'm also going to use this. Now traditionally you would also add or grate some onion, but I'm not adding any onion to my cheese paste. So I'm just going to use the cheese, the carrots. I'm going to use some butter. I have 3 teaspoons of butter here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of it. I have 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise here, but again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of it. So when I grate these, then I will adjust how much butter and mayonnaise I'm going to add to it. Of course, if you wanted to make your cheese paste a little spicy, you could always add chili, rather cayenne pepper, a pinch of cayenne pepper to it, but I'm not going to add any to my own. So let's get to grating the cheese and the carrot, and then we'll start adding the butter and the mayonnaise. The butter is softened, so it will make it easy to incorporate it into the cheese piece. So there you have it, folks. Our cheese paste is complete. Of course, I didn't use all of the butter. I did finish the mayo, but that's basically it. Like I said, if you wanted to add onion to your cheese paste, you can also grate an onion as well. And if you wanted to spice it up a bit, you could also add cayenne pepper. But that's it. That's basically it. So my cheese paste is now complete. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.